Hello my friends, and welcome to this nice farm. And today I'm going to show you some farm animals. Let's take a look around this farm. And what do you see? It's a cat. Look, it's a cat. It's a dog. Look, it's a dog. It's a cow. Look, it's a cow. It's a duck. Look, it's a duck. It's a goat. Look, it's a goat. It's a hen. Look, it's a hen. It's a horse. Look, it's a horse. It's a pig. Look, it's a pig. It's a rabbit. Look, it's a rabbit. It's a rooster. Look, it's a rooster. It's a sheep. Look, it's a sheep. It's a turkey. Look, it's a turkey. Wow, what a nice animals are living here. I hope that you enjoyed this farm. So bye. See you next time.